Hello everyone, welcome back to Amura's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make Pistachio Rose Barfi. This mouth-watering Indian sweet is very easy to make with very few ingredients. We can call this Burfi as milk fudge with pistachio and rose flavor. Sometimes I make this fudge as thin layers and cut it into cookie bars for birthday parties. Kids love colorful cookies. I hope you guys try this recipe and impress your family and friends. These are the ingredients that we need to make Pistachio Rose Barfi. Here I have a non-stick pan on very low heat. First I am adding 1.5 cup heavy whipping cream. Now I am adding 2/3 cup granulated sugar. Stir continuously until the sugar dissolves in the cream. Now add 3 cups of milk powder. I am stirring continuously while I am adding little by little. This entire cooking process should be done on very low heat. Mix continuously until it becomes thick. See, it is not sticking to the pan and formed cookie dough consistency. This process takes approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Once the mixture is ready, separate it into 2 equal portions. Add half cup crushed pistachios to one portion and mix it nicely. To this pistachio mixture, add very little green food color to get the nice pistachio green color. After the milk fudge is ready, adding flavors and layering process should be done very fast. Otherwise, the fudge will dry out, then it will be little difficult to layer them and mold them into a shape. Pistachio milk fudge is ready. To the second portion, add 1 teaspoon rose syrup. This rose syrup gives nice rose flavor and color too. Rose flavor milk fudge is ready. Now we can switch off the stove. Here I am using parchment paper to layer and using loaf pan to mold the shape. You can use 9x9 square pan also, then layers will be little thin, which is also good. I'm just giving little texture on the top with fork to hold the nuts and rose petals. Garnish the top with some chopped or silvered pistachios and let it sit for 1-2 hours before you cut it into your desired shape. I didn't keep it in the refrigerator, I just let it sit on the counter. It did cut perfectly and held the shape. I did cut it into 12 pieces. You can cut it into 24 pieces too. If you want to make like 40 to 50 pieces, you can just double the quantity of the ingredients. That's it. Pistachio Rose Barfi is ready to eat. It is beautiful, melts in your mouth and very easy to make. And I can say this is no fail recipe. This is perfect sweet for birthday parties and festivals like Diwali or any festival. I hope you guys try this recipe and impress your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe Amura's Kitchen for more interesting videos.